Over the next minutes, I am going to create a full AI website in front of you with Dropmagic and show you all the different features that you must use if you want to save time. So I will start by picking a link. It can be either an AliExpress link, a Shopify link, or even an Amazon link, and I will paste it on the app. I click on continue just here, and then the AI will analyze the product and give me a product score depending of the price and the margin I can do on the product, and also the images that has been found for the product. And then I just click on Let's Build Your Store. Now the AI will analyze the reviews to give me the different marketing angles that can be interesting for the product. I will here have the possibility to select the language I want, and if the language is not available, I can click just here on select another language. But in my case, I will select English. Now I can select who I'm going to sell the product to. It can be the fitness enthusiast, the green consumer, the tech-savvy millennial, the health consultant, and of course that all the persona has been generated with all the information that the AI has found on the product. So in my case, I think I will select the fitness enthusiast. And then I will have different marketing angles that are going to be generated depending on the choice that I've just made on the last page. And in my case, I think that the best marketing angle is this one. Then I will have the possibility to select the images. As you can see, we have the images of the supplier of AliExpress, which are very bad. We also have a lot of images that has been found on all the competitors, more than 100. So we can see some here, and we'll have the possibility to see even more just after. And the best part, I have AI images that has been generated for me. And as you can see, the AI images are much better than any image from my supplier or the other competitors. So I will click on go to my store, and now the website will be fully generated in front of me. So I just have to wait a few seconds. And as you can see, everything is generated right now, so I just have to wait, but I can already see the websites, and as you can see, it is very, very nice because I didn't do anything. The AI has made everything for me. The AI has found some images for the reviews, has generated some images for the description. So everything has been made by AI, and you will see that in 3-4 minutes maximum, we'll have the possibility to increase the quality of the website even more. So we can start right now because we have the possibility to choose different templates. So I just have to click here, and then I can select all the different templates. But in the major part of the time, the AI will have analyzed the product and will have picked the best template possible for the product you want to sell. But if you want to change the color or the fonts separately, you can just click on color, then click on the dice, and you will have different colors that will be proposed to you, and the color will perfectly match with the product you want to sell. And if you're not happy with the color, you can just go back here and select the template you had. And if you want to change only one color, you can lock the other one and then click on the dice. And if you want to choose your own color, you can just click on the color and then select the color you want to use for the website. For example, I will take something like that. Okay, perfect. Then I can do the same with the fonts. So I can click on the dice and I will have a lot of different fonts. But if I want to use, for example, Roboto, I can just write Roboto and I will have the possibility to select the font I want to use. And then if I want to have title style, I can click here and the changement will be made on all the websites. So I can continue by change all the buttons, for example. So as you can see, we have different options. I will keep the solid one. I can do the same with the images and I will keep the classic one. And for the cards, let me show you what is a card. So just here, for example, as you can see, we have different options and I will select this one because this one is very, very nice. Okay. And I can also change the border, so increase the radius or increase the radius for the button. So I will keep something like that, and I think it's perfect. So here I can improve the product arrow very easily. So I can change, for example, the color. If I want to change the text, I can change it, okay? And if I want to add another block, I can just click on add block. For example, if I want a review, I can add it. If I want payment badge, I can just click on payment badge here. I can put it wherever I want. And as you can see, the result is much better. And if I want, for example, to change this image, I can just click on the image, then choose another one. And as you can see now, the result is much better, okay? And if I want to remove some, it's the same. I just have to click here, images, and remove the images I don't want to keep. And as you can see, the result now is perfect. And I can now focus on the next section. So here I can easily change the image because we have a lot of image that has been created by AI. So I just have to select them, and in a few seconds I will have a result that will be much better. So we have a lot of different options. So I will change all the images. Perfect. So as you can see, the result is much better. And if I want to change the color, I have the magic brush, which is very, very easy to use. You just have to click on it and it will propose you different style for the section. So for example, this one is great. Yeah, this one is even better. Okay. Now I can do the same with this section. So we can start by the color. Okay. Yeah, perfect. This one is excellent. I will change the image just here, maybe pick this one. Yeah, the result is very, very good. But if I want to create my own image, I can do it too. So I just have to click here, click on edit with AI, select an images that I want to start with. So let's take a very, very bad one, and you will see that the result will be good, even if we have chosen a bad image for the example. So here I will ask in a model kitchen with sliced grapefruit and around it. It is just an example. Then I click on generate, and you will see that in a few seconds, we'll have an image. I hope that will be better than all the images that we had before. And it will be very fast compared to ChatGPT, for example. And yeah, as you can see, the result is very, very good. So I can click on save, and now, as you can see, the section is very, very nice. So if I don't want, for example, to keep this section, I can remove it. It's very, very easy. If I want to change the color, once again, I can use the magic brush. So this one is very interesting. I can increase the size just here. And if I want, for example, to create an image to insist on the fact that with this product, you can drink tap water, I will just create an image and say, being filled on tap water on a modern kitchen. Then click on generate. And as you can see, the result is once again excellent. I click on save, and now if I want to adapt the text with the images, I can just click on rewrite here. So I can select one of the options that has been proposed to me, or I can write the prompt I want. So for example, emphasize that thanks to this product, you can drink tap water again because it removes harmful elements, list them. And I ask that, and you will see the result will be much better. Perfect. So as you can see, it has been very, very quick. So I can change the color. And as you can see now, the quality of the website is just excellent. And if I want to publish it on my Shopify, it is very easy. I just have to click on publish, then connect your store. I can choose to either use a new Shopify account or an existing one, and the shop will be directly sent to the Shopify account. So now I will cut the camera and focus on the website for the next 5 to 10 minutes to try to increase the quality, and I will show you the results. Perfect. So here is the result. As you can see, it is much better, but I've just used the images that we have generated before, and yeah, the result is just excellent. And I have built this website in 10 minutes. Can you believe that? And this is why you must use Dropmagic if you want to be successful in e-commerce.